हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज आशीष फ्रॉम द ट्रैवलर्स टेल। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन। और आज का जो ये एपिसोड होने वाला है, दिस इज रिगार्डिंग पीपीएफ वर्क ऑन माय न्यू ड्यूक 390 Gen 3। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि ये नया बाइक है। टैंक में स्क्रैचेस लगने के बहुत चांसेस रहते हैं बिकॉज आई यूजुअली यूज टैंक बैग्स व्हेनेवर आई एम ट्रैवलिंग। जब मेरे पास हिमालयन था तभी आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ पुटिंग पीपीएफ और सिरामिक कोटिंग एटलीस्ट, बट इट नेवर हैपेंड। आई एंडेड अप गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ स्क्रैचेस। आई जस्ट गॉट माई बाइक लास्ट वीक। आई होप यू गाइस हैव वॉच्ड दैट वीडियो, राइट? काफ़ी लोगों के पास डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स के थे पीपीएफ, लाइक few one had some Korean brand and few one had Saint Gobain and all, and with a different microns, that thickness. 3M मेरे मन में तो था, but when I took the quotation yesterday, they quoted me more. When I told them about I only want to do that tank portion, which is very metal portion of a tank, which is very actually small. जब वहाँ पे गया तो that person who was over there, he measured it and he gave me a quotation which was very I would say economical. I tried around with other brands as well in and across Mahathali, Whitefield, this area, and they quoted almost similar prices, not too much difference. So I thought that why not to go with the 3M, right? That's being the best brand. What I'm gonna show you is how is the finishing, how is the work over there. We'll reach there and I'll show you more footages on that. Right now we are in 3M Care in Whitefield. Tank work is pretty much done. So I'm gonna put a gloss one over here. This one is the matte one. I didn't do this all part because this is all the plastic portions, and something happens, I might go ahead and change it altogether. But tank is something which is sensitive, and as I use the tank bag, so I wanted to protect that at least. So here is another Scrambler 400 by Triumph. He is also doing just the tank portion and probably this portion. And the screen is what he has done. तो ये एक बाकी रह गया था। ग्लॉस वाला है ना सर वो? ये सब चला जाएगा ना? बट हाँ सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। योर नेम, गुड नेम?
माय नेम इज Daya Sendil.
Daya, okay. He is Mr. Daya. Here, I think you are the owner, right? Here?
And I'm
managing. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much for that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So this is all about today's vlog. We have just finished the PPF work and handover is also done. Mr. Daya is over here. And we also have Som Shekhar who manages this 3M over here. PPF applicator. Yeah, I've taken a lot of footages. Hi, with that. Javed is Mr. Javed.
assistant Kabir.
Hi, Kabir. Thank you so much for the work, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, take care. Okay, I'll see you in another vlog. Take care. Until then, bye bye.